Peace, my beautiful Cosmiq Soul family. I'm the Cosmiq Soul Plug, and today I'm back with another video to enlighten you about the birthday number 9. Now, what's so significant about this particular birthday number is it carries a very unique energy because it represents power. Also, it is the zodiac sign of Sagittarius, which happens to be a mutable sign, which means you're adaptable and flexible, just like the Gemini. And we'll get more into, that particular zodiac trait or what's the traits associated with that particular zodiac sign later down the line. But today's focus will be strictly on the birthday energy itself. If this is your number, it simply means you are a generous person. You're also creative, sensitive, tolerant, and open-minded. In addition, you have a very unique approach towards solving problems that may arise later on in life. The number 9 also means you're a humanitarian with a deep desire to heal the woes of the world. Also, you may want to take heed to the fact that you can come off as being a know-it-all kind of individual, or even condescending to a certain degree. In this lifetime, your lesson will be to learn forgiveness and releasing what no longer serves you. Okay, my beautiful family, that's all I have for you today. I wanted to keep it short and sweet because, of course, I've been having some technical difficulties with my camera. So I say, hey, it's a shorty but a goodie today. So I'll just come in as long as I have the audio and the visual. That's all that I really need today. And again, if you happen to like or love the content that I've been sharing here on this channel, please don't be afraid to hit that like button. Leave a positive comment below if you wish. And a new subby wouldn't hurt either, because it's definitely a way of showing love. Okay. Also, you can most definitely trust that I'll be back with another video, which I'll be breaking down the next number, which I'll keep secret for now. But until then, once again, I'm the Cosmiq Soul Plug, signing off and leaving you with peace, love, and light. Ashe.